Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today we're doing the unboxing of the Mhcabsr Wi-Fi dashcam. Alright, let's start from the bottom left of the icons. What it has a high definition recording, 3.16 HD display, wide angle lens is 170 degrees, which is pretty awesome for this size of a camera, loop recording, G sensor, audio recording, and Wi-Fi. Alright, let's start the unboxing. The first thing you see, of course, is the dashcam. It's inside its protected covering, and it also has some insulation for the camera too, for transport. Let's get into the camera first. Let's get a closer look. It has a protected film to protect it from scratches, but of course when you start recording, make sure you take this off. It also has a 3M mounting tab, so when you install it to your window shield, you have a peace of mind that it's not going to come off even with the heat. Now when it's time to take this off, again, it's a window shield, you'll have no problem taking this off here. On the bottom of the camera you have the power button, right arrow, left arrow, and the M button, which it could be mode or menu, and we'll find that out shortly. On one side of the camera you see where you insert the micro SD card, and next to it is the mic area. Now looking on the top, you have the mini USB power source, and then on the right of that you have the AV in, which is going to be for the rear camera. Then you have the 3.16 inch LCD screen, which looks pretty impressive. This dashcam also comes with Wi-Fi, which you connect it to your cell phone. Now let's see what else we have. Okay, first thing we have is the rear camera. Let's see what it came with here. It comes with a mounting tab that you can install inside your vehicle on the rear window. Or it also has two screws that you could use when you want to install it into your frame of your car. And sometimes you could use both. For the rear camera, it has 4 infrared LED to help with the super nighttime vision. Since you can install this camera in the outside of the car, it is waterproof. The rear camera connection is a 3.5 connection, and it also is equipped with the red wire. Now the red wire, when you install it to your tail lights, turns your camera into a backup camera, which is real nice function, especially if you have cars that do not have a backup camera. Now the next item is the power source, the power cable, which this connection is a mini USB, which is here, right here. And of course you connect this to your power outlet of your car. Now from your dash cam, this is where your connection is made to power up your dash cam. Lastly we have is the manual. The manual helps you with your installations and gives you information about your dashcam. The manual gives you wire and installation tips. It also gives an outline of your dashcam. It also gives you a breakdown of the icons in your dashcam. The manual also gives you a QR code to download the software for the Wi-Fi, and it even shows you how to set it up. If you have additional questions on the dashcam, please leave it in the comment section down below. If you were interested in purchasing this item, I listed Amazon links for you to purchase in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please give me that thumbs up, because I appreciate that from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.